Hello, in front of me I've got Toyota RAV4. In this video I'll show you how to open and close the car without using the key. Firstly, make sure that your car key is in your luggage or in your pocket. And now take a look at the car. As you can see, the car is closed. To open it, while having the key in your pocket or somewhere else, make this gesture with your hand. Now the car is unlocked. To lock it, simply put your finger right here. And the car is locked. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.